Hello students, welcome back to my channel. This is a question from class 9 number system. Which is greater, cube root of 3 or fourth root of 4? Children, whenever we compare two radicals, the index should be same. But here the index is 3 and here the index is 4. So what we are going to do is we will make both the index same. Okay. So let us take the LCM of 3 and 4. Okay. The index I am taking. Index of first one is 3 and index of the second radical is 4. So I am taking the LCM of 3 and 4, which is 12. Okay. Now what I am doing here is I want to make the index equal to the LCM, which is 12. So 3 times 4 is 12, right? So multiply this with 4 and the radicand is 3. So for the radicand put the exponent 4. बच्चे यहाँ पे समझो ये क्यूब रूट ऑफ 3 ही बन जाएगा. देखो इसको मैं कैसे लिख सकती हूँ, 3 पावर 4 होल टू द पावर ऑफ, अगर रेडिकल सिंबल निकल गया तो लिखो 1/3 4 12, है ना, ऐसे लिख सकते हैं ना. सो 3 पावर 4 इंटू 1/12, ए पावर एम होल पावर एन इज ए पावर एम इंटू एन. ये तो लॉ हमको पता है. तो यहाँ पे 4 1 4 3 सो 3 पावर 1/3 इज़ नथिंग बट क्यूब रूट ऑफ 3 ओनली, है ना. फोर्थ रूट ऑफ 4 को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं, फोर्थ रूट ऑफ 4. अब हमको एलसीएम के इक्वल बनाना है इंडेक्स. 4 टाइम्स 3 इज़ 12. यहाँ पे 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करो और यहाँ पे जो 4 है उसका एक्सपोनेंट भी 3 लिख दीजिए. ठीक है. नाउ लेट अस कंपेयर. फर्स्ट नंबर व्हाट वी विल गेट, 12th रूट ऑफ 3 पावर 4 इज़ 81. ठीक है. यहाँ पे आ गया हमको 4 टाइम्स 3 इज़ 12. 12th रूट ऑफ 4 क्यूब इज़ 64. अब इंडेक्स सेम है तो रेडिकेंड देखिए जो बड़ा है वो बिगर नंबर है. दिस इज़ 81. रेडिकेंड हियर इज़ 81, हियर इट इज़ 64. हेंस दिस इज़ ग्रेटर. व्हाट इज़ अवर 12th रूट ऑफ 81? 12th रूट ऑफ 81 इज़ नथिंग बट क्यूब रूट ऑफ 3, है ना. सो क्यूब रूट ऑफ 3 is greater than fourth root of 4. Hope this is clear to you. Now we will see a sum. Multiply with 5 into cube root of 4 by square root of 3. Children, whenever we multiply, the index should be same. Whenever we multiply or divide, for multiplication and division, the index should be same. Whenever we add or subtract, the index and the radicand should be same, then only we can add or subtract. Okay. यहाँ पे इंडेक्स 3 है और यहाँ पे स्क्वायर रूट का इंडेक्स 2 बन जाएगा. तो लेट अस मेक इट सेम बाय टेकिंग एलसीएम. व्हाट इज़ द एलसीएम ऑफ 3 and 2? इट इज़ 6. ठीक है. 5 इंटू रूट ऑफ 4 इज, अब क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे, टू मेक द इंडेक्स इक्वल टू 6. सो 3 टाइम्स 2, यहाँ पे 2 लिख लीजिए और यहाँ पे रेडिकेंड को एक्सपोनेंट दे दीजिए 2. ठीक है. Same way we will get 5 into 6th root of 4 square is 16. ठीक है. Now the second one, the second radicand is square root of 3. Square root means here the index is 2. So 2 times LCM is 6. So 2 times 3 is 6. यहाँ पे 3 लगा दिया तो यहाँ पे जो radicand का है वो भी 3 लगा दीजिए. So what we will get, 6th root of 3 cube is 27, right? Children, we know root a into root b is root of ab, right? Similarly, 5 into 6th root of 16 times 6th root of 27 can be written as 5 into 6th root of 16 into 27. अब ये radicands को multiply कीजिए. Okay, 16 into 27 is 432. So the answer for this question is 5 times 6th root of 432. Hope this sum is clear to you. The index is different and the radicand is also different. How can we add these numbers? So let us check this. Cube root of 27x plus 2 times. How can I write this one? If I remove that index, so I have to put whole to the power of 1/9, right? So can I cancel this? 3 times 1, 3 times 3. Okay. So what we will be getting? We will be getting this as cube root of 27x plus 2 into x to the power of 1/3. Children, x to the power of 1/3 is nothing but cube root of x, right? Now can I write this as cube root of this 27? Can I write into 3 into 3 into 3? Yes, 3 cube is 27, right? So I will be writing this x as it is plus 2 into cube root of x, right? So now here I can make a triplet. Okay, since it is cube root, this triplet 1 3 will come out and it will become 3 into cube root of x plus 2 into cube root of x. Now come see here children, the index is the same and the radicand is the same. We can add this. Now what is 3 times cube root of x plus 2 times cube root of x? Just add this coefficients, which is 3 plus 2 is 5 and the cube root of x as it is. So this is the answer. Now let us see one more question. Square root of 16x minus 6th root of x cube. Let us see this question. Children, can I write this 16 as 4 into 4 and this x as it is minus, now this index if I remove, I have to write x cube whole to the power of 1 by 6, right? Now this is square root, I am making pair of 4. So 1 4 will come out. So 4 times root x minus this will become x to the power of 1 by 2. Children, what is x power 1 by 2? It is nothing but square root of x, right? So can I write this as 4 into square root of x minus write square root of x? Okay. Now both the index and the radicands are same. We can subtract. Okay. We can subtract. So subtract the coefficient. Here the coefficient is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3 root x. So this is the answer. Now children, let us see this sum. In this particular question, the radicand is different, right? But the index is same. So let us simplify this. Okay, first let us take the factors of 54. Okay, 2 times 27, so 3 times 9, 3 times 3. Since it is cube root, I have to make triplets. Okay, so how can I write this? From a triplet, one number will go, that means 3 will go out of the cube root, and whatever is without triplet, that will be inside. So this part I can write it as 3 into cube root of 2x cube. Okay, fine. This x cube I am writing as it is minus same way. What are the factors of 16, children? 16 can be written as 2 times 8, 2 times 4, 2 times 2, right? So make a triplet. So it can be written as 2 into cube root of 2. So I am writing 2 into cube root of 2, this x cube as it is. Now if you observe, the index is same and radicand is also same. So we can subtract. We have to subtract this coefficient. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 into cube root of 2x cube. Okay. This one if I write, if I don't write, it's fine. Okay. Now cube root of 2x cube can be written as cube root of 2 into cube root of x cube, right? Because we know root of a into root of b is root of ab. So I can put the radical symbol individually also. So this one, what cube root of 2 I am writing as it is. Can I write it as x cube? If I remove that index, I have to put whole to the power of 1 by 3. So this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled. So finally the answer for the question is cube root of 2x times x. So this is the answer. Hope this is clear to you. For more such interesting questions, please subscribe to my channel.